Shenzhen SMS Energy Storage Technology Company Limited, with 101 patents and software, is a state-level, high-tech enterprise based on the development of smart grid construction. Shenzhen SMS Energy Storage Technology Company Limited, to providing intelligent automation products for customers in the power industry, with new energy power generation enterprises, power grid companies and industrial and commercial users as the main target customers, focusing on the research and development, production, sales and service of energy storage products on the power supply side, the power grid side, and the user side, deeply involved in the development of green energy and the construction of new power systems, committed to providing customers with high-quality MW energy storage systems, household energy storage systems, and overall solutions, is a scientific and technological innovation enterprise, integrating research and development, manufacturing, sales and service. We have established a modern quality management system that strictly follows international standards, and our products strictly follow the ISO 9001, 24001, 45001 quality system standards to ensure stable and reliable product quality. Our company always adheres to the principle of building first-class brand with strong technical strength, ensuring first-class product quality with advanced management, takes the mission of continuously creating value for customers and providing development platform for employees, and adheres to the principle of teamwork, honesty, innovation, and service to the society. AIM, dedicated to provide our customers with the best quality service.